live. Got all these bikes out here. Yeah, look at. Damn! Snoop had that thing all up in the air down there. Left side, it's gonna be one of them nights, racing cars and racing bikes. It's gonna be one of them nights. I know. It's gonna be one of them nights, racing cars and racing bikes. Look out, man. Bike, right side with a 606. With the wind. Left lane with the wind and a 578. You wonder, damn, I hope I don't ask nobody, the wrong person for some food one day and that shit nasty. Hey, look at who was that? They just made a pass. That was Bryson? Well, he riding that thing, man. They say I got to give you an interview later, man. I know they say he knows something good. whoever that was, Dangerous. What's his name? Yeah, what's his name?
Pastor Pink.
Oh, okay, yeah, he's dangerous. I remember him as dangerous. Watch out. Yeah, he. I ain't never seen nobody reach down with their hand and shit.
Just routed and shipping through the whole track. No, I see when shit when they had difficulty, but not just making a full.
Yeah, he made a full pass and everything with his hand. Right lane for the win.